AI agents are everywhere going into 2026, but what exactly are they and how do they actually work? If you've heard the term but you're not sure what it means, this is your complete beginner's guide. Hi there, I'm Sahil Bora and I help non-technical founders turn their ideas into real apps and automated systems, and here's the truth. Especially going into 2026, AI agents are powerful, but the term can feel confusing. Some people think they're just chatbots, but other people think that they're robots taking their jobs. So today, let's cut through the noise, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what AI agents are, how they're different from normal automation, and where you can start using them even if you're not technical. So what exactly is an AI agent? So an AI agent is like a digital team member on your team. So instead of waiting for it to give it instructions, you just give it the goal. So then the agent figures out how to achieve its goal by itself. So think of it as like a smart assistant that can read, write, and take actions online, whether that's sending emails, updating files, scheduling tasks in your calendar, or even doing research on your behalf. So how do most AI agents work step by step? Most AI agents today follow these three basic steps. So for example, for step number 1 is understanding the goal. So you can say onboarding a new client. Step number 2 would be planning the steps. So the agent decides, okay, I'll send a welcome email, set up a folder, and schedule a call with the new client. And then step number 3 would be taking action and adapting. So it actually carries out those tasks and adjusts in real time if something changes. So this is the key difference. Instead of just following rigid rules, the agents can think through the task just like in the human world. Now, how does this differ from traditional automation? Now let's compare this with traditional automation tools like Zapier or Make. So automation tools are like an assembly line. If this happens, do that. For example, if someone opts in on your website, the automation will just send their email to a spreadsheet and then send them a thank you email. On the other hand, AI agents is like a personal assistant. You say, help me onboard a client, and it figures out all the steps for you. So automation is predictable and reliable, but rigid. AI agents are flexible and adaptive, but sometimes less predictable. Here's a real world example. Let's compare simple automations compared to an AI agent. Here's where it really clicks for you guys. So in regards to traditional automation, as I said earlier, when someone opts in on your website, the system adds in their email to your list and then a welcome email goes out. That's it. An AI agent, on the other hand, when a new client signs up to your service, the AI agent can send them a personalized welcome email, create a shared Google Drive folder so that the new client can access it, and it schedules a kickoff call in your calendar, and it also sets up a reminder to follow up with the new client next week as well. Do you see the difference here? One is just moving data, and the other feels like a team member actually taking initiative with the new client that you've onboarded. Let's take another example here. Let's look at, let's say for example, market research. So with automation, you might set up a workflow that copies competitor data from one site to a spreadsheet. An AI agent, on the other hand, you ask it to give you a summary of your top 5 competitors and their pricing models. The agent then browses the competitors, compiles the information, and then organizes it, and then hands it to you in a neat report or a PowerPoint presentation. So it's not just data entry, it's actually decision support. So why does this matter for beginners? Because this matters because you don't need to be technical to benefit. You don't need to know how to code or put everything together. You don't even need to understand all the technical terms. Because if you're running a small business or launching an app idea, AI agents can save you hours every week because they reduce the repetitive work, helping you to move faster and even let you test ideas without hiring a big team. So who wins going into 2026? So for simple repetitive tasks, automation still wins here because it's stable and reliable. But anything bigger, messier, or more creative, AI agents are the clear winner here. Because the smartest founders aren't choosing one over the other. They're actually combining both. Automation for the simple stuff, and agents for the smart stuff here. So there you have it, guys. That is AI agents explained in plain English using examples that I've outlined here today. The tools are powerful, but here's the catch. Knowing which ones to use and setting them up properly can still feel overwhelming, especially if you're a non-technical person. And this is where I come in, because I offer done-for-you app development services and automation services. So this means that you can focus on your idea and your business, and I handle all the tech to make it actually all work together. You can click on the link on the description to book a call with me to find out more. Let's build your app or system the smart way without all the headaches. So if you found this video useful, smash the like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe and to share it with a friend who's curious about what AI agents are. And I'll see you in the next video.